Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can solo play your created Kahoots on Kahoot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your account on Kahoot. Next, navigate to the library and select the Kahoot list here. Now guys, what you want to do is there is that solo play feature and it is just below the given Kahoot. So what you need to do is click into these three dots here and you will see the play solo tab. Now, due to copyright reasons, I'm not going to play this because there's some background music and so on and so forth, but it works actually the same way depending on the type of your Kahoot, be it, for instance, I don't know, a question or a quiz with multiple questions or a true and false type of quiz and so on and so forth. You will be given the opportunity to participate in that quiz if you like, for example. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.